Good morning to one and all present here. Today, we are introducing Roald Dahl, the famous writer and storyteller for children. So, on 13th September, we have already celebrated his birthday. Now, I am going to say about his life. Roald Dahl, born on 13th September, was a British novelist, short story writer, poet, screenwriter, and wartime fighter is of Norwegian descent. His books have sold more than 250 million copies worldwide. Dahl has been called one of the greatest storytellers for children of the 20th century. Dahl was born in Wales to affluent Norwegian immigrant parents and spent most of his life in England. He served in the Royal Air Force (RAF) during the Second World War. He rose to prominence as a writer in the 1940s with works for children and for adults, and he became one of the world's best-selling authors. His awards for contribution to literature include the 1983 World Fantasy Award for Life Achievement and the British Book Awards Children's Author of the Year in 1990. In 2008, the Times placed Dahl 16th on its list of the 50 greatest British writers since 1945. In 2021, Forbes ranked him the top-earning dead celebrity. Dahl's short stories are known for their unexpected endings and his children's books for their unsentimental, macabre, often darkly comic mood, featuring villainous adult enemies of the child characters. His children's works for children include James and the Giant Peach, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, Matilda, The Witches, Fantastic Mr. Fox, The BFG, The Tricks, The Giraffe and the Pelly and Me, and George's Marvellous Medicine. His adult works include Tales of the Unexpected. Now here are some of our friends with a character parade. Here comes the characters from the book The Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. I invite Charlie Bucket.
You should never doubt something that no one is sure about.
Willy Wonka.
Don't argue, my child. Please don't argue. It's such a waste of precious time.
Veruca Sword.
Hey, Daddy, I want an Oompa Loompa. I want you to get me an Oompa Loompa right away.
Violet.
Dear friends, we are surely agreed. There's almost nothing worse to see.
Sophie from the BFG.
Don't poison a snake kill each other.
George from the George's Marvellous Medicine.
But we have to grow, Grandma. If we didn't grow, we would never be adults.
Witch from the Witches.
Dare argue with me? A stupid witch who answers back must burn till her bones are black.
Matilda from Matilda.
I'm wondering what to read next. I finished all the children's books.